Want to send a snap without using the media upload option? In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to do just that. First, open your Snapchat app, and normally you can upload a picture from your gallery and it sends us a real snap. So to work around this, go to your phone's gallery. Find the photo you want to send and tap Copy Photo. Once it's copied, go back to your Snapchat and take any snap. Just a blank one is fine. Now, long press on the snap preview screen. You'll see a paste option appear. Tap paste and your copied photo will appear. You can now resize or adjust it however you like. Now, once you're happy with it, tap send to and choose your friend or group. The best part, Snapchat will deliver it as a snap, not just a photo from chat. And that's it. Now you know how to send a photo as a real snap without using media upload. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.